Welcome to Freshers Know channel. Today's video is going to be about IBM recruitment, and if you want to read the details on your own, you can check the link which is placed in the description box. Alternatively, you can land in Freshers Know website because our website will give you all of the information plus the links to directly apply to the position. All of this at same place in Freshers Know website, so don't forget to check out. And for regular job updates, you can check our Telegram channel. Link will be placed in the description box for you to directly access it and join us. IBM has opened its vacancy for a software developer. If you are interested in this position, so stay tuned to the end to know about the role and the eligibility criteria and also how to apply to this position. If you are a 2021 passed out graduate or fresher, you can apply for this role too. Without further ado, we would just start off into the roles and responsibilities, which is you will be part of the squad which would be co-located in Bangalore, and you would be involved in analysis, programming, testing of a code in live projects in various other CIO domains. You will also be collaborating with other team members across the squad or the team, and you will be aligning with the social contract which would be agreed upon the team when usually you will be getting into meetings or the deliverables. You will also acquire the necessary agile skills which are required within the project in order to successfully complement or you successfully meet the project needs of the client. The introduction of a software developer at IBM is going to be as follows, which is mentioned in this particular paragraph. You are going to be a backbone to the company or the organization, with Whitelist having strategic initiatives to design, code, test and also provide the industry with leading solutions that the world needs today. As IBM is going to give you a wide list of opportunities and the exposure that a candidate needs in developing your professional path, this particular position also gives you the same strategic balance which you need to inculcate when you are doing your project or whichever the work which is being assigned to you. And with that, you will also be planning and trained to take off time, bank transactions and complete it within the blink of an eye. At IBM, you would be working out with various other clients and bringing out the successful projects, which is being assigned to you, and also using the various opportunities and the exposure that the organization is handling upon you. And here are the required technical professional expertise, which are as follows. So as you can see, they require the candidate to have a BE or a BTech in computer science and information technology, and make sure that the candidate is having 70%, which is considered as a mandatory percentage of the score in current degree pursuing, and should not have any backlogs, and proven programming skills and analytical ability, problem solving skills ability, and also should have interpersonal skills with standing off as a communicator. A good communication skills are also essential for this particular role. Along with that, ability to gain people's confidence and put them at ease, should be also persuasive, persistent and also patient. Why? Because you would be working up with a team and you would be handling a client project or the organization's project. So you would be working up with various members and also various teams. So when derived into a particular tribe or a team, you should make sure that you are being much more patient and understandable enough to know their perspective and implement them accordingly. In respective of that, you should be able to cope with the pressure when you are undergoing through tough circumstances or any sort of pressurized issues that you are being revolving with, and be flexible and adaptable to have mature personality. So making sure that this would be the prior profile that the candidate should be having. You should have valid organization and administrative skills in order to make sure that you are having a good maintainability or the capability to maintain the perspectives and also the document or the report that you are keeping up into. You should also have the ability to prioritize and manage the deadlines. So you should have the task or the project notes that you need to visualize it and then further put it into action. So these are the key responsibilities or the key duties that they are looking in for in order to be qualified or eligible for the role. And prefer technical and professional expertise point of view is as follows. So in order to head over in this team or as a software developer, you should make sure that you would be loving to collaborate with environments and use agile methodologies. So you should be well aware about various other patterns various other trends which are evolving in the market, and also should be able to be creative enough in visualizing these trends into action. You should be able to design, think effectively, find out innovative ways to develop with cutting-edge technologies. Using the latest technology and putting that into action is the first and for the foremost priority that they would be looking in for. They need an ambitious individual who will be working under their own direction, meeting the needs of the client, plus fulfilling the targets with a creative approach to work. An individual who will be able to manage and change with the proven time management. So time management and meeting the deadline targets are going to be aligned accordingly. Proven interpersonal skills with contributing team effort by accomplishing the relatable results as the needed. So as the organization sets you a target or a project needs a target to be fulfilled, you should meet them according to the management of time with the other tasks or the priorities that you are already having or assigned to. You should be able to make sure that you are managing your time well, and also making sure that you are able to commute with your team or the client effectively. In responsive to that, you should be also making sure that you are having up-to-date technical knowledge by attending educational workshops and reviewing other publications. So with this stands as an academic point of view. You might not have this in your degree level itself, but make sure that you are having a good amount of training or an exposure before you head over to this role, so that you would know as to what are the technologies that the market is evolving with, and what does the companies or the organization that have been established on the basis of technology are evolving into. You would also have the exposure of knowing about various trends of the markets that are being evolved to, and also have quite a lot of exposure in implementing them and putting them into action. With this point of view, you would know as to how within a less time you would be able to cultivate more progress and more productivity at the same time. So next we would see a basic outlook, which is required education is a bachelor's degree and preference also is a bachelor's degree. That would be the essential core criteria of the academic perspective, and there is no such academic or the eligibility requirements, so that we can skip that. And next, coming to the business unit and how is your life going to be, all the section which is mentioned here is just an introduction or the outline of IBM. So if you are interested to know, or if you are willing to know about all the details, you can just land over to the official website and then check all the details here. And here they have given about IBM and you being at IBM as an outlook of the job. Country or the place of work which you are going to work into is in Karnataka, India, and city is in Bangalore. And software development and support is the prime job category. The secondary role is going to be a software engineer. This is a full-time job and an early professional job. And this is a regular contract job. This track that you are going to work into is going to be a designer, and you are working in IBM. So with this outlook, we are going to now know about how to apply to this particular role or position. If you are interested into applying this to this particular job, land over to the official website and just click apply to jobs. It will take you to this particular page where they will be asking you to sign in. You can sign in with your LinkedIn account, Facebook or Twitter, or you can fill in your email and password if you already have an account. If you don't have an account in IBM, you can consider yourself that clicking on do not have an account yet. It will redirect you to this page where it will be asking you about the privacy notice. And then you can just agree here. After you agree, you will be starting off with a new account. Fill in your email and password, re-enter your password and select a question. Then you can further continue. Then it will be taking you to the application process. In that way, you would be applying to this particular job. This is a process that you can consider if you are willing to apply for the position. If you have any other opinions or questions, please place them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.